In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Shopify store not live. Whether you want to take it offline completely, disable the checkout function, or just restrict public access, I'll walk you through several options that cater to different levels of visibility, from partial to complete shutdown. Let's get started, shall we? The first option we have is using password protection. This is an effective way to limit your store's accessibility to only those who have a password. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin. From there, head over to Online Store and select Preferences. Once you're in the Preferences section, look for the Password Protection area. Here, you need to check the box labeled Restrict Access to Visitors with a Password. After you've enabled this, you'll need to create a password that visitors will use to access your store. There's also an optional feature where you can include a custom message that will appear to your visitors when they encounter the password prompt. Once you've set everything up to your liking, don't forget to hit Save. This option ensures that most parts of your store remain hidden until the correct password is entered, giving you more control over who can visit your site. Moving on to the second option, which involves switching to the Pause and Build plan. This particular method is perfect if you want your store to remain visible but need to disable checkout functionality temporarily. Again, head into your Shopify admin and proceed to Settings. Within the Settings menu, find Plan. Here you'll see an option to deactivate store, or you might see Cancel Plan. Instead of deleting your store, you'll select Pause and Build. When you choose this option, you'll be prompted to confirm the switch. Remember, your store will still be visible online, but customers won't be able to complete any purchases, as the checkout process will be disabled. Finally, let's talk about completely deactivating your store, which means canceling your subscription. To do this, you'll follow a path similar to the one before. From the Shopify admin, make your way to Settings, and then navigate to Plan. Here, you'll choose Deactivate Store or Cancel Plan, whichever is available. It's important to confirm your decision, as this will fully deactivate your store. Keep in mind the implications this has on billing and data retention. Shopify generally retains your store's data for a period, often around 2 years, which is convenient if you ever decide to reopen your store in the future. And that's it! Each of these options provides a different level of visibility restriction, so choose the one that best fits your current needs. I hope this guide helps you manage your Shopify store's online presence more effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store management.